she's just the one that, no, 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 no. There could be uh, a plethora of things that are contributing to this particular issue that we're having. And so, what you want to be able to do is evaluate the team's culture, their values, and behavior to determine if this is culturally related. And when I say culturally, I am speaking about the culture that the team or the resources or the people created. So there's been cultures that I've been in that has been very toxic, and the people created that culture because they created the culture because of fear, the fear that was maybe created from, their leadership. Who knows? But I've worked in cultures where it's been so amazing. You're waiting for the problem to show up, because you're anticipating that aspect of things. So again, evaluate your project team's culture, and again, remember this key thing. And actually, my mentor said, taught me that, and that's why I want to make sure he gets the credit, which is, again, having the ability to understand what people are not telling you, not what they're telling you, but what they're not actually telling you. Let's move on to point number 2.